In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes in medical school using Notion. Notion is a versatile and user-friendly application that can help streamline your workflow and keep your notes organized, especially when tackling the enormous amount of information in medical school. Let's walk through the steps to get started. First, open up your browser and head to Notion. If you haven't registered yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free and simple, and you can even access some advanced features with a paid plan, but for now, the free version will do just fine. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the interface if you're not already. It's clean and intuitive, which is why it's such a powerful tool for students like you. Now, look towards the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a faint arrow icon. Clicking on this arrow will open up a navigation menu. From this menu, you'll be able to access various options and settings, but today we're focusing on templates. You can find the templates option here, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the templates section, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can delve into the vast library of pre-made templates available in Notion. Type in medical notes in the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a collection of templates specifically designed for medical subjects, streamlining your note-taking process considerably. After you've got the results in front of you, you might find that there are quite a few options. Don't panic, just scan through them quickly. To make your search easier, you can click on the See All button. This allows you to browse through all the available templates at once, giving you the opportunity to pick the one that best fits your needs. When you find a template that seems suitable, perhaps one that incorporates a system for organizing lectures, clinical notes, and resources, click on it. Most templates will provide a small preview so you can see what you're getting before you commit. Once you're sure you've found the right template, click on the Add button. Now you're going to have the option to add this template to your personal workspace or a shared workspace if you're collaborating with classmates or study groups. Choose where you'd like to save it. You can always move it later if you change your mind. Click Add to Private, or Workspace to finalize your choice. Lastly, you may have to wait a moment for the template to load. Once it's ready, click on See Template. This action will take you right into the new template where you can start entering your notes immediately. You can customize it, adding additional pages or sections as needed. Modify it to your liking, perhaps including lecture times, important reminders, or links to supplementary resources. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your medical school notes using Notion. With a bit of customization, this can become a truly powerful tool in your educational toolkit. Give it a try, and see how it can help streamline your studies and enhance your learning. Thank you for watching, and happy studying.